A recently leaked promotional image of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, revealing major technological advancements while maintaining its sub-250-gram weight classification. The Spanish-language marketing material, initially shared on the social media platform X, highlights several key upgrades, including the integration of LiDAR sensors and a potential 1-inch camera sensor. These enhancements signal a significant leap forward in DJI's ultralight drone lineup. Here's what we know so far about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. One of the most notable improvements in the Mini 5 Pro is its potential 1-inch camera sensor, which represents a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor typically results in superior image quality, enhanced low-light performance, and an expanded dynamic range, features that will appeal to both photographers and videographers. The gimbal system has also undergone a redesign, introducing vertical shooting modes specifically tailored for social media content creators. This functionality enables users to capture portrait-oriented footage natively, eliminating the need for cropping or post-production adjustments. Additionally, the camera now appears capable of tilting straight upward, a first for the Mini series. This new capability allows for more creative aerial shots, making it easier to capture tall structures and unique perspectives that were previously challenging to achieve. According to leaked specifications, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers an impressive 25-kilometer transmission range and an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes on a single charge. This marks a substantial improvement over its predecessor, providing longer uninterrupted flights and reducing the need for frequent battery changes. A standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is the addition of LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance technology. The drone is equipped with dual front-facing wide-angle sensors, along with 2 additional inward-facing black sensors, likely enhancing its ability to detect and avoid obstacles with greater accuracy. LiDAR technology significantly improves navigation in various lighting conditions, ensuring safer and more autonomous flight experiences. Furthermore, DJI has incorporated built-in audio recording, a unique addition that could benefit vloggers and content creators who want to include narration or ambient sounds directly in their footage. While external audio recording is generally preferred for professional productions, this built-in feature offers added convenience in certain situations. The DJI Mini 5 Pro brings several refined design elements aimed at improving flight stability and landing precision. It features precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system, enhancing visibility during nighttime landings and improving overall flight safety. While retaining the compact form factor characteristic of the Mini series, the Mini 5 Pro includes additional landing legs on both the main body and front arms. These refinements contribute to better stability and protection during takeoff and landing. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its AI-powered tracking capabilities. With improved sensors and a more advanced camera system, the drone is expected to deliver enhanced subject tracking and autonomous flight modes. DJI appears to be positioning the Mini 5 Pro as the ideal tool for content creators, travelers, and professionals looking for high-quality aerial footage with minimal manual control. The AI-driven features will likely enhance intelligent flight modes, subject recognition, and automated cinematography, making it easier than ever to capture stunning shots effortlessly. Despite its cutting-edge advancements, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the critical 250-gram weight limit. This is a significant engineering achievement, as it allows the drone to bypass stringent regulations in many regions, including the United States. Drones under 250 grams typically do not require registration with aviation authorities in several countries, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a hassle-free flying experience. While DJI has yet to confirm official pricing, industry experts speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will carry a higher price tag than its predecessor due to its array of premium hardware and software upgrades. However, the price increase is expected to be justified by the drone's advanced features, including its improved camera sensor, vertical shooting mode, AI-driven tracking, and enhanced flight capabilities. With its rumored 1-inch sensor, innovative gimbal system, AI-powered tracking, and extended flight performance, The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to set a new standard in the lightweight drone category. Designed with content creators, social media professionals, and drone enthusiasts in mind, it offers a perfect blend of portability, power, and cutting-edge technology. As the official launch approaches, anticipation continues to build for what could be DJI's most advanced mini-series drone to date.